This is the Esterbrook limited edition Estie Rocky Top. People have been really excited about this. It's a Diamondcast collaboration. You go ahead and slide off the sleeve that is designed specifically for this limited edition, which is nice. And you have the classic Esterbrook box, the red canvas with the Esterbrook logo on the top. You just open it up. It's a magnetic closure. Inside your box, you'll find your Esterbrook information, and this is a Diamondcast Esterbrook collaboration. This is some more information about Esterbrook, as well as a wiping cloth to keep your pens safe, but also clean and shiny, because you're going to want to keep these amazing, beautiful pens really able to shine. It also comes with an included ink cartridge. The Rocky Top fountain pen from Esterbrook is made in the Estie pen design, and it's made with exclusive Diamondcast US material featuring the Tennessee colors, and that's the orange and the silver and the white. And this material is a big selling point for these pens, because this Diamondcast really is able to really make the finished pen just sparkle. Especially I have people who will take it out in the sunlight. It really does, it shines. And this particular pen is basically a celebration of the American South. Rocky Top refers to a certain region in Tennessee, and that's why it's so appropriate with these Tennessee colors. Also special about this Rocky Top Esterbrook Estie pen is that this is the first time that the Diamondcast and Esterbrook collaborations have been released in both this standard size as well as the oversized. So this is your standard size, but they also offer a slightly wider diameter, and they call that their oversized Estie, and the Rocky Top is available as the oversized as well. The clip is a spring metal clip. It does have a screw-on cap. I can't remember if there's a specific name for this, but so when you're taking that cap off, there's a soft catch that it's like a release of the cap, and then when you're putting it back on, there's almost like a spring. It feels really nice. Sometimes the pin's made really well. I really even just taking the cap off, it feels like a nice pin. I love the gold trim against the Diamondcast material, the oranges and the silvers, leaning towards even a little bit of like black in little tiny parts of the pen. I really like the way this turned out. Okay, so you open this up and you'll notice that the gold trim is also here at the tip of the barrel, and then on the top of the threads. And the cap does screw off, as we talked about. The nib is just beautiful. I'm not sure you'll be able to get a good enough look at it to know how beautiful it is, but this is the year number 6 gold-plated stainless steel nib with the Esterbrook branding, and it's pretty lovely. I like the 2 rings here around at the top and bottom of the threading for the cap. That's right here at the tip of the barrel, between the section and the barrel. It really gives it a classy look. It's a cartridge converter pen. You unscrew the barrel from the section, and the ink converter is already in your pen. You'll notice it's branded, the Esterbrook branding right there on the silver portion. With your converter installed, you can ink your Rocky Top with any fountain pen ink that's deemed safe for fountain pens. Pen will also take a standard international ink cartridge. 1 ink cartridge was provided with your purchase. The pen is also postable, which is really important to some people to be able to post the cap while they're writing. And again, this is your standard. It does come in the oversize if you prefer a bit of a wider diameter. So if you want to check it out in more detail, visit pinchlet.com.